I'm back. So let's take a look at what we're trying to do. So tracer. I'm already tracer. Okay. Mission, rate over time, rate over distance, okay, shape, cone. Okay. Node random, okay, so we want to do from base, texture. No idea what I'm doing here. Okay. Hey, what's up, Penguin Studios? So, I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'm trying to figure out, how to, that doesn't change that scale. This only changes the scale of that. It's unfortunate. Okay. Align to direction. Yeah. Clip channel. Don't know what any of this means. Okay. I think that looks good. So I'll do how many? Duration 1. Looping. No. 3. Rate over time. Stop action. Oh, why did it stop? Oh. Okay, so it did 10, so we just want to do 1, so boom. Okay. Gaming. Hi. Oh, hey, what's up? So right now I'm trying to figure out how to make a start lifetime, start speed. Let's do 10. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm trying to figure out how to make like a tracer. Start delay 0. Okay, so I don't know why it's coming out after 0.5 seconds. Is that built into this somewhere? Max particle size 0.5. I want it to come out as soon as we hit play, you know, so like stop. Okay, start delay 0. Start size, start rotation. Delta time, scale, local. Okay, max particles, rate over time. Okay, so looks like, okay, I kind of see what's going on. Max particles. Where did I see max particles at? Max particles going to go to 1. Bang. Okay, so the higher I set this, I think that means that there's a likelier chance it's going to come out immediately. I want it to go really fast because it's supposed to be like a bullet, basically. The only thing is, I'm not sure exactly how to make this thing look like a tracer instead of looking like a little ball. Render mode, billboard, max particle size, pivot, flip. Okay. said I didn't want to loop it, but I actually do for now. Looping. Okay. Duration is 1. There we go. Okay. Boom. Okay. That's kind of seems like a long time. Max particles 1. Auto random seed stop action. I don't have to worry about that now. Mission, rate over time, rate over distance. Okay. I don't know what that means. Max particle size, facing velocity. Okay, I see. So let's render to the view so we can see it. I probably should have watched somebody's for object motion, cast shadows off, no maxing. Okay. I need to change particle shape unity. So particle emitter, particle render to 2D as the particles. Okay. Square. So let's do tracer PNG. Let's see if we can find anything cool. That looks pretty good. Let's try that. Let's try this as a. Oh, where's it at? No, actually, that kind of looks like garbage now that I'm actually looking at it. Transparent PNG. Oh, that looks pretty good. Okay, yeah, I think I might take this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, shoot, okay. Tracer, texture, transparent. PNG. All right. Textures. Let's see how this works. Import new asset. Should be in downloads. Okay, tracer. And sorry, should be color texture. Texture type. Sprite. Yeah, I guess that's what I need. Okay. And how do I set this thing? Texture. Material, default particle system. Okay, so this is how I change it, I think. My problem is, change this to a material. Light map, shadow map, normal map, legacy, directional light map. Oh boy, that's not gonna work. Normal map, cursor, cookie, light map. All right, we're gonna watch some.
Hello and welcome on your.
Let's see if he has a good. Okay. So is he literally just drawing Great Weapon Tracer? Alright, I think I might just rip this straight off this thing. Where is the download project files? I'm gonna steal his tracer here. Please log into download files. Oh gosh. Oh shoot. Okay, so at least pull this up in code, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I guess that this can go in here. We up home. Tracer hit point to camera main transform position. Sorry for being quiet here. Mesh. What? Wait, where's he getting this from? Underscore mesh. World mesh? Okay, that's a utils that he has in there. Okay. Shit. This is creating a tracer effect using the trail renderer component. Okay. Well, we gotta turn some lights on. Here in the great state of Alabama, it rains constantly.
Hello, this is Wes McDermott, and in this unit,
it rains constantly, and so it gets dark really early because of all the
kind of
trees and
set
stuff.
out. Okay, since it's going to
Trail
it's going to come
renderer,
down to particles,
so.
and now we have. Let's take. And I'll call this tracer material. And now we have this tracer material, and let's take a look at some options for this guy. So what we're going to do is we want to set this guy to be a particle. So we're going to come down to
Okay. Never worked with materials before, so bear with me. We're just going to watch this guy's YouTube videos.
And I like to use this additive mode. So I've got particle.
Oh, okay, so shader, particles, what's he doing? Additive? I don't have that. I don't have additive, do I? Standard surface? Well, oops, go back. Particles, standard unlit, okay.
Particles, additive, and all it needs now is a little texture. And so for this texture, what we're going to do is I'm going to jump over here to Photoshop, and I'm going to create.
Oh, I don't see texture, dude. What? I don't see a texture option. Require vertex stream. Blah blah blah. Am I just stupid? I think I might just be stupid, honestly. Guys, leave a comment down below if I'm stupid.
A texture that looks like this.
Oh, this is 2013, dude. How has nobody? You know what? If I figure this out, I'm gonna make a tutorial for this, because I feel like nobody has a good tutorial on how to actually make a tracer. Here we go. Shooting a weapon using projectile raycasts with effects. This is a 44-minute tutorial. Oh my god, dude.
Sci-fi.
There's no way that this should be this hard.
The first one will fix all kinds of cool stuff.
Unity
We'll go ahead and use that to spawn some blue. Just never. We can go assets,
Okay.
fix. The
How
way
do
to
I
get that
down
into
to
your
this thing?
and go at the end of them. Show you the ones that we're going to be using. The first one.
Unity particle pack. Good lord. Dang, you know, you'd think that this would be a thing already, you know. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. This is dingus brain time. We're gonna do a little cheaty cheat. Rename tracer. Let me just check something. Trails in Unity. How do trails work? So this should leave behind. How to create a bullet trail.
Hey game developers, Blah from Zenfinity.net. Welcome to another Unity tutorial into Unity. All we're going to do
tracers that important? They're not particularly important, but I just want. Currently. Hold on. Let me show you what the game looks like now. There's currently no like gun animation or. So I'm clicking right now, right? Like I can kill these guys by clicking on them. But there's no gun animation or anything. There's no feedback, and I feel like feedback is very, very important for user experience. You want the user to actually know what they're doing. And oh, found a bug. You want the user to know what they're doing, right?
Changes to about.
So I think that that's kind of important there. Let's see. So does this, if you just attach trail renderer,
so bullets have that
does
trail.
it? Oh, okay. Oh, I like that a lot actually. You know what? Before I do that, let's come in here. Let's add trail renderer. Let's just test that out. See how that looks. Oh my god. Okay. That's cool though. I like that. That's like bullet time almost. Yeah, fair. Otherwise, you'll be like, I should have hit them. Yeah, you want, I don't know, you want that kind of feedback. Set that to 0.5 emitting color. We want. Why is it like purple though? Texture mode, stretch, shadow bias, materials, default particle. Let's see what that looks like. Whoa. Shoot me. Shoot me. Come on. It looks kind of cool, I guess. It's a little bit slow. their bullets are kind of slow though, so it looks like silly, I feel like. Min vertex distance, auto stretch, view stretch. Maybe if I tile it, that might look better. Also, if I make the color the same as, wait, what? I don't know what I'm doing. I really have no idea what I'm doing here. Oh, this is the trail as it goes on. Okay, I think this might look good so you can see that, like, yeah, that needs material. Shoot at me, come on. Bang. That, okay, I don't know what changed. It looks worse somehow now. Stretch. So I think it should like blend from yellow into the white now. Oh, it's the opposite of what I thought it was gonna do. Looks like it's going white and then yellow maybe. So maybe I can reverse these two. And we'll, oh, okay. We'll see how that looks. I believe this is yellow. If it's not yellow, please correct me. Maybe lessen the width. Yeah, I agree. I'm gonna clear it. Okay. I think that looks somewhat better. Let's do 0.25. Let's make it smaller. And don't know how to. It's emitting right now. Receive shadows, light probes off. How do I make it smaller? Oh, width. Yeah, let's do that and see how that looks. Might just be difficult. Particle sprite, set the end width to 0. Okay, wait. Maybe just the default particle sprite and set the end width to 0. Oh, is this like a... Oh, does it decay as time goes on, so you can make it smaller or something? Like I said, I've never... Oh, okay. I think this looks good, actually. Oh, dude! Oh, that looks sick! Okay. Thank you. That's actually... That was very helpful. That's awesome. Okay. So, let's... increase the speed of this thing to like 75. It's gonna be harder to dodge, but I think it'll actually feel like you're, oh, I fell off the map. There needs to be a wall there. Okay, oh yeah. Okay, this is cool. This actually feels like I'm in danger now. Yeah, look at that. So, something I'd like to do is when this thing hits, I had in one of my old games, there was a part of the ultimate dodge falling off the map. So one of my older RTSs, I had a thing where, so what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to duplicate this, call it tracer. Already tracer, and do a scale of like 2. Make it, let's do like 0.4, and I'm gonna speed it up by a lot, and change the damage to 0 because I just want this to be an effect, not actually do anything. And if we come in here, I know that this is really, really ugly. I apologize. This is all spaghetti code, and nothing is named properly. Physics raycast. Okay, yeah. So I come out here and do player.transform.position. This should just be oh wait, no, this needs to be hit.point. Hit.point, it's a jam, I think it's good. Yeah, that's what I keep telling myself. Oh, we can do serialized field, public, game object, bullet, prefetch. transformed shot cooldown. Okay, yeah. This also, we need to have shot cooldown in here as well. Timer minus equals time dot delta time. So copy this. Sorry gamers, you won't be able to shoot as fast as you want. And then where do I have my countdown? Countdown's okay, yeah, it's just timer minus equals time dot delta time. Okay. I'm gonna say I'm gonna copy my check code too because I'm too lazy to do this. There we go. Okay. Let's see if that runs, because I just changed a lot of code without testing any of the lines of it. Oh, object instance not set to whatever. Where am I? Okay. Bullet prefab, assets, tracer. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh, and I didn't set my shoot cooldown.
They are purple because they're missing a material. So let's go ahead and create a material.
So nothing is.
I'll go into our materials folder.
Nothing's getting created by me, I don't think. Oh, it's going the wrong way.
I'm going to change this to be
it's appearing in the wrong direction. I don't know why it's doing that. 0.2, so I can shoot 5 bullets a second is what I'm going to do here.
Let's make the color white.
Okay. Why is it showing up in the wrong space? Transform dot forward direction.
Oh, and I forgot, actually, let's go ahead
so, I believe this is because my camera, camera's facing,
material, so we can just go
ahead and drag camera's facing this way,
into here,
cylinder is facing this way,
should be using
right?
white material. Okay, and there we go, we see that kind of trailing effect, so if I
okay.
have this prefab selected here in the
Transform
inspector
dot
stuff,
forward.
why don't we go ahead and drag our time down to like 0.1 and see
to
if that
be
looks
like
like
what? Transform dot
and
forward.
so I mean there, you know, you go ahead and play with the time however you like. I mean,
Transform
maybe you want these very long
forward
streaks.
to
Maybe you
transform.
want those really tiny.
I'm gonna
0.1.
just do this.
But that is actually going to be it. For
I'm just
creating
gonna
forward
try
video.
different directions
If it
until
helped
it
you out,
works.
then
I think
subscribe, but if you want to see more like this,
instead of
you want to
actually
create your first
fixing
game right
whatever
now,
is
there's
causing
a link in the
my
top right. There's an ebook about all the
my
game tools
rotations
you
to
need
be
for your
off,
first game. If you're new to
I
video
will
games,
just.
if you're interested in going even faster, then make sure to click on this video in the top right. It's a sample video from our course on how to create your first
That's
game.
the opposite.
Totally
I
free.
think.
It's all about how to create a
So if I
spaceship.
do minus transform,
controls
right,
in that spaceship
then
in Unity.
we'll be
So
good to
I
go.
will see you in the next video, and have a good day.
What is going on now? Okay, so it's not going where I want it to go. Not sure what's causing that.
When making planets in the past, I have always taken the approach of
Transform
starting
dot
with a
up,
sphere,
transform
and then something
dot.
a 3D noise function at each point, and stretching those points
wait,
around
hold on.
based on
Okay,
the
so
noise
that
function.
one is
By
just
mixing and layering
transform
different
dot
noise
forward.
functions
Hold
and
up.
experimenting with different equations, you can get some pretty interesting results. But
So,
this approach has a limitation. Each point can
transform
only
dot
have one item
forward
associated with it, which of
to
course means
direction,
it occurs
from
to come
rotation to
over values of
rotation.
any kind.
So direction is from what? Oh, transformed opposition. No, it needs to be from camera dot main dot transform dot position.
It's a little
Okay.
sad knowing there's no
Now
possibility
I'm gonna
of
fix
coming
it.
in
Hello there,
house
gentlemen.
after
Maybe.
two
Oh, hey,
hours,
what's up?
for example, or of digging your own little cave to take shelter. So in this
I'm messing around right now, so I'm gonna move the game
so I can make
over to
videos
here
that
so I can
tunnel
see what's
will
actually
shape
going
the
on
terrain to my heart's
in this thing.
As a starting point, I'm going to use an old project of mine.
So you
where
guys won't get to
some
see me playing the
difficulty
game,
in mentioning
unfortunately.
an algorithm called matching cubes.
Yeah, why is it doing that?
I have a whole video on that, but the basic idea goes like this. We take
Okay,
each points at the corners of some imaginary cube, and each of these points has a random value associated with it from our noise function. Values above 0 mean that those points are in open space. I like to think of them as air points, whereas when the value is below 0, those are rock points, because they're inside the
Oh,
lab.
okay, wait, whoa.
Between air and rock is where we want to draw the surface mesh of our planet.
I just wanted to start at the camera and end.
256 possible
Why is this so
configurations.
difficult?
But there are actually only 15 unique
The
cases.
shooting no work.
Others are
Yeah,
just
that's
very
basically it. That's all that's happening
And
now.
as you can see, these
Transform
surfaces
dot
are
forward, bullet
constructed
prefab, transform dot position, camera dot
So to make our pattern,
main,
we have a 3D
transform dot position,
plus
plus camera dot main dot transform dot forward.
This Marching Cubes algorithm was published all the way
I think there's a video
back in
that's been playing in the
1987.
background. Yep, Sebastian Lake is playing in the background. Dude that's very, very talented and very smart. Okay, hold on. So something's going on here. So in this instance, it's going, stop shooting me, stop. This makes, like, literally no sense. So, when I aim up at the ceiling, it works a lot better, but it looks like my axes are flipped or something. Okay, I'm gonna change my rotation here. See if that fixes anything. I don't see what. Quaternion to vector 3 dot forward dir. I don't think it can work if it's an absolute vector. I think it has to be from. I don't understand what is happening here. Because it's not like absolute, right? It's supposed to be based on my rotation, but so the Y rotation is the only one that really. Oh. So I think I know what it is. I think it's because the. Shoot. Hold up. I think it's because my camera's rotation controls my X and Z, and my, well, that shouldn't matter though, right? No, that shouldn't matter. Start position. Yeah, I'll try vector 3 dot forward vector. I'm also, I don't think my brain is really working anymore. Hit point, camera transfer, quaternion dot frame rotation. Okay, we'll see if that works. I really hope it works. Did that? No, wait, dude, what? How did you know? Okay, so only problem is coming from. It's coming from bang, bang. It's coming from the very dead center of the screen. I want it to come from a little bit further away. Also, this is a little bit too slow. Like, I feel that there's a delay. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. That's awesome. Okay. So I'm gonna try and make this thing really fast and just make the trail renderer better. Like, let's do 300. I want this to be like instantaneous, basically. There's a rigid body on it. It's kind of annoying. Time. Let's put 5. Width. Is this? Yeah. Auto strap lighting devices. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Oops. Okay, yeah, this looks good. I would say the only problem is that it's like you can't see because of the area that's spawning in. Right, so we need it to come from the side, but I'm not really sure how to do that. I guess if I do plus camera dot main dot transform dot right times like 0.1. Oh god. Can I even do that? Oh, 0.1 F. Alright. Because I want it to come kind of like from the right side of the screen, you know? Okay, I think that looks a little bit better. I can see better now. It still feels like it's coming from kind of like a weird area. And also, is this because it's in... Dude, I don't know why my physics gets broken sometimes, but it does. Bang, bang. This is kind of fun to do. I haven't showcased the gravity flip in a while. I need to figure out a way to build a level that kind of works with that. So I don't know, maybe it's because it's in like fixed, or it's in regular update, not fixed update. Is fixed, hold on, I gotta look at the update versus fixed update. I think fixed update, physics functions, it's in sync with the physics update. Fixed update, okay, late update. Late update is for camera stuff, right? Camera should always be implemented in late update because blah, 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 blah. Okay. I'm gonna move it over just a little bit. And we don't want this to be a fixed update, I don't think. Making the bullet spawn not in the middle. Yeah, I think... Oh wait, hold on. Okay, so... I want it to spawn a little bit closer to the camera, so let's do like times 0.3, something like that, so it's closer. Because now it looks like it's spawning really far away from the camera. This is probably more time than I should spend on this stupid little tracer, but I don't know. I think it makes the game look cool, and also I'm waiting on yeah, okay, this looks good. This looks good right here. The only problem is I think it's possible for it to collide with me. Oh shit! Oh, can I move stuff with these? Or did a... Yeah, so I think it's possible for these to spawn inside of me and get destroyed. So I need to make it so that they can't do that. Oh, what was I? That means bullet script is gonna have to... Oh, see you, man. Tracer. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be really stupid. Nobody make fun of me for this. Tracer and where is it at? Edit preferences, physics. No, edit settings, physics. Yeah, we're going to disable collisions between the player layer and the tracer layer. Wait, player tracer, player tracer. Yeah. So rather than attaching a separate script, I'm just gonna make a whole new layer for one item and leave it at that. Wait, no. I don't know why this bugs out sometimes. You see that where it like spawns inside of the it spawns inside of me and it just like disappears? Looks like it's working every single time. Bang, 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 bang. Uh-oh, wait. Oh no, okay, it's working. Okay, yeah, so it's moving so quickly that there are instances where it's able to pass through this thing. So instead of, I do interpolation detection on here. Collision detection, continuous. That should take care of it. No, that doesn't work either. Okay, so I think my cooldown needs to be... I don't like how long my cooldown is. I don't like that I can only shoot once every 2 seconds. This needs to be a shorter duration of time. Or 5 times per second, sorry. Yeah, this is what I want. This lets me spam as much as I want. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, hold up. Oh, broken physics. So I think that getting hit by these things actually like breaks my physics somehow. I don't understand what causes it to do that, but is there somebody else that's alive? They're shooting at me? Uh-oh. Controls are backwards, I think. Okay. That all feels pretty good to me. Added bullet tracers. We're gonna publish that. Okay. And duplicate one of these. Put it at x is 0. This needs to be 5. 10, 10, 20, 50. Control D that and put it at minus 50. Okay. And we got wall obstacle. Okay, hold up, there's too much stuff on here. Ceiling, floor, wall, right, where's wall, left wall, right? Left wall, right wall, ceiling, floor, okay, oops, don't want that. Tracer can go bye-bye, enemies are cool. Alright, so now, how did I do this before? This is actually something I did a really long time ago. It's in my original version of the RTS. Dismiss. Can I not pull this into the modern era? Upgrade. Yeah, confirm. Let's see if this even works. So I had this really old thing that was kind of cool where when bullets would impact, they would actually like, hold up, let me see if I can flip this guy around again. So when bullets would impact, they would actually, they would like explode on impact, and I thought it was a pretty cool effect. Yeah, these levels, the only problem is that the gravity effect isn't really like useful at all at this point. I think there needs to be some sort of way, where like, I don't know, flipping gravity helps you. Like maybe it drops a bar, like an exploding barrel on somebody and just blows them up. I don't know. Or there's some sort of pit that you can't get across. You have to switch your gravity. I think that is mostly what it's going to have to be about. Is about like platforming, basically. Not really like we have a whole lot of time to implement that, but structures, player wall obstacles. I'm going to come in here and do is bring all these guys in here. Why can't I make these all prefabs? Left wall, right wall. Kind of stupid having these all be prefabs, but whatever. Okay. This is bringing up one of my older RTS games. So, gun tracer completed, gun animations, gun sound, gun cooldown is completed. I'm going to need to do gun impact effects, and we do that. I think had like a Car 98K sound that I modified. You guys can't see my other tab, right? Okay, good. No, I guess not. I could have sworn I had like a Car 98K. Royalty-free gun sounds. Yes, the classic soundbible.com. This is where I used to get all of my audio from for making Lego videos. Holy shit, what is all of this? Asset store, animator, window layout. Okay, so I need to find out where my bullets are. UI, units, bullets, assets. Oh my god. Wait. Is it RTS? This is RTS. Yep, okay, yeah, this is the right place. I recognize it. Effects. Sparks has a particle system. Oh, it's a particle system. Okay, so what happens? Open prefab. No, it's missing. So does this just like explode once? I think I can just copy this over, probably, right? Yeah. Okay, sick. What does it look like? Oh, okay, awesome. Yeah, that's exactly what I needed. Great. Okay. These need to use... What's the material that they're using? Is there not a material on here? Emission, rate over time, shape, cone, angle, radius, thickness, texture 2D. Okay. What does this look like? Sparks. Play. Okay, yeah, that needs to... Size over lifetime, render, cube, none, material, this. Boom. Oh, yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, awesome. So it's in render, or material, trail material. All right, how does that look? Okay, cool. So what we're going to want to do is textures, scene scripts, prefabs. This is going to go prefabs. And need to edit that bullet thing. So serialize render. Oh, do you know how to... I never do anything with particle stuff, so this is probably painful for you guys to watch. Sparks, prefab, and on collision enter, do instantiate, sparks, prefab, at, what do we do, hit dot collision, or no, I guess it doesn't matter. And then I can overload this with like 2.0F, right? And that, no wait, oh shit. How do I make it so that this thing gets destroyed? And destroy constantly looking up things in Unity. Object clone, destroy clone. Okay, yeah, so I guess I've got to do game object. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I guess that will be fine. Game object sparks equals instantiate sparks prefab transform. Okay, and just do destroy sparks. I don't know if this will work because the script is being destroyed, but this should just like set, like mark it for death, right? That's how this works, I think. I'm not sure. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, sparks prefab, sparks, and we'll do this one too, sparks, okay. And let's take a look. Take a look. It's in a book. Don't see any. Yeah, I don't see any sparks getting made. Whoa! What the? Okay, yeah. I guess that happens whenever I get shot. I don't understand why. So I'm gonna assume that it's because it's getting destroyed, right? But that wouldn't happen, right? Okay, let's just take out this thing and just instantiate it. Sparks prefab. We do what? Transform dot position. Quaternion dot Euler angles, and that's a create 0, 0, 0. Is it just Euler now? Okay, yeah. Whoa, whoa! That's a lot of stuff. This might be a bit too much. They're just shooting each other. Does their line of sight not check for if one of them's in their way, I thought? I might have to tone it down a little bit. I think these are, yeah, this is a little bit too much. Stop. Wait, stop. Play. Okay. Yeah, how do I make them not go so far? Shape, spread, texture. Okay, so radius. Let's do 0.5, and that cone looks fine to me personally. Radius thickness. What does that even mean? Oh, okay. Mode, random, spread, clip threshold, size over lifetime. It's actually, let's do a decay. I like the decay effect that we put on the trailer, or on the tracer. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. There we go. Yeah. So I think that if we make this decay a little bit faster, there we go. That's how real sparks look. Okay, now I don't think we have to worry about all the other stuff, because I think that this makes it look like... Oh, yeah, getting hit still, like, glitches me out, though. Okay, I think that looks good. I don't know why this is so buggy. Okay, so one more thing. Gotta have a tracer script that's just going to kill itself after it exists for more than like 2 seconds. Just so that I'm not cluttering up the thing. So we'll do, you know, public float duration, float timer, void, you know what, actually, yeah, I probably should just to be good. Just to be a good little boy. Timer plus equals time dot time. If timer is greater than duration, then destroy immediate game object. Okay, cool. Now we shouldn't have this thing cluttering up our viewer for very long. Yeah, we'll do like 0. No, 1.0. Okay. And I don't. If we do massive 0 so that this thing can't push me around. Okay, cool. Oh, it's exploding inside. Wait, I think it's exploding inside of itself. Oh! So that means now I gotta go in here. Gotta change project settings, physics, and tracer cannot collide with tracer. Okay. What the what? Man, this is kind of annoying. Okay, so. So it's spawning inside of me. I specifically set it to not spawn or to not collide with me though. So, oh, it's because it's not on the right thing, duh. Okay, let's see now. Okay, and now I can just spam, but I'm still, oh, what the hell? I'm still getting moved by the enemy thing, I think. Okay. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, yeah. Problem is this thing moves way too fast. Is there a way to fix it so I can do like full interpolation on it? Continuous dynamic, maybe? Interpolate. Oh, just do continuous and interpolate on the collision. That should fix it, right? Pew, pew, pew. Okay, so we gotta figure out what's causing that. It's causing me to break like that. But that works. Continuous dynamic, interpolate. Let's also change this to continuous dynamic. You know, it's a shame that I don't know what like half this stuff means. I probably should. Okay. Player movement. So speed, gravity, ground check, jump height, public velocity. Vector 3 velocity. We want to figure out what's going on